And we are back. The AT-6, the winds, the storms have subsided for now, and we're going to go ahead and show some stalls. Hopefully not too low. No, we're going to get up to a comfortable altitude and do some stall demonstration real quick. Some folks actually asked for it, so by request, here we go. Let's go ahead and show how this fine model handles stall. Both clean, dirty, you name it. All right, we're directly into the wind. We're at half flaps right now, and she just lifts right up, gears up, flaps up, timer started. Okay, flying pretty good. I did some different trimming on it, so we actually here we're trimming and then we're stalling. I took some of the digital adjustment out and I put it in mechanically. So as you can see, she is not lacking for any sort of vertical whatsoever. Here we go. Okay, moving right along. She really is. So, okay, let's go ahead and get right to it. So we're gonna bring the box up. We're gonna go ahead and bring the throttle all the way off, and we're inducing full back. And there she is, she spins. So, how did I get out of that spin? And this time she spun to the right. I released the pressure on the elevator, and I let the aircraft regain flying, because if I kept the up pressure, the aircraft would basically tuck right into a spin. And that wouldn't be cool. So we'll try and show that again real quick. We're going to get back here a ways. Get up to altitude. Okay, so here we are, we're into the wind. We're full off throttle, we're full back up elevator. And she's kind of mushing. Okay, all right, let's bring the throttle back on. And I actually kind of, let's do it nice and mellow here. So we're gonna throttle, back off, full up. And there she goes, and she tucked to the right. I relaxed the elevator again, and she regained flying. Okay, that's what you do. Okay, and I'm going to do another reverse just because I love doing with this plane. Okay, now we're going to bring the gear down, and we're going to go half flat. We're going to be in a landing configuration. Okay, landing configuration. Here we go. So plane's lining up on our field. We're bringing the throttle back like we're landing. Throttle's back. We're full up. Elevator, and you know what? She's kind of mushing forward. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to release the elevator. She's going to regain flying. So dirty, at least with flaps and gears, she actually mushes forward, which is kind of a good thing. Now we'll do that again, and we'll show. We'll see if that was a fluke. Okay, I still had aileron control, so technically some would argue the aircraft was still flying, but let's go ahead and back up, and we're full back, and yeah, she's actually controllable. Huh, interesting. Well, we're gonna go ahead and give her some throttle. We're gonna go ahead and bring the gear up, clean the flaps up. We're gonna try the dirty stall one more time. And now that we know, well, at least my aircraft, I don't know why it's going to the right, but it wants to go to the right. And there could be a lot of factors involved. You know, maybe there's a slight crosswind up there. I don't know. But in any event, we're into the field. Okay. And off the throttle, we're back all the way. And she's going kind of forward a little bit. Okay. Huh, interesting. AS3X has helped me there, maybe, huh? All right. Well, we got a couple snaps out of there. Okay. So let's go ahead and bring the gear down. Let's bring half flaps. And let's go ahead and do a pilot's debrief real quick about our mission. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead, and we have to get over the threshold here of this fence. And then once we're over the fence, then we can really focus on landing. So we're going to be careful about this fence. We're going to maintain our airspeed here. We got a little bit of a Texan bump there. And now I know she'll actually come this way while taxiing. So we're going to go ahead, clean up the flaps. Oh, you know what? I didn't have full landing flaps down either. I was only running half flap. Huh. Well, rats. Okay, we'll try that again. Maybe. Okay, well, hey, I'll tell you what. So we're down to 4 seconds. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's real quick check our battery level. We'll see. Now, we weren't really on it that hard this flight. We were doing some stalls and things like that. Let's see what we got. And we're at 50%. You're not going to believe it. I can't even believe it. I cannot believe this even. Okay. There you go. I hope you can see this. 50%. 51%. So anyway, wow. Even on a 3S battery, this plane is amazing. Okay. Tell you what. I cannot end this flight with that kind of bump. So we are going to do it again. We're going to land her again. So just going to do a real quick go around. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to go half flap. Do a little bit of a scale takeoff for you there. Gear comes up, flap comes up. We're going to do the timer start real quick. Okay. All right. To bring the gear back down. We're at half flap right now. Now we're at full flap. We're turning final. We're full flap. Gears all the way down. We're into the wind. Okay, we brought the throttle back on to arrest our sink rate. A little bit more throttle to get over that fence. We can see her actually clear the fence. We bring the throttle on. All right, nice. I'll take that one. All right. So we're gonna show her taxiing through this grass. Yeah, nice. Okay. 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 All right. Pilot's debrief. We did a stall clean, no power. I think we did a stall clean with power. We definitely did them dirty as well, meaning with a landing gear landing configuration, as if you're bringing the aircraft in for landing. We had the gear down, we had half flap. She might have stalled slightly differently with full flap, but what I've noticed, which is kind of interesting, but in a dirty configuration, the model actually has a much more gentler stall, which by the way would make sense because I have the flaps down and the gear down, and actually, believe it or not, both of those drag items are providing lift. I know that sounds kind of counterintuitive at first, but that's what's going on aerodynamically. So in a dirty configuration, she's actually a little bit more gentle in the stall. But no matter how you slice it, it's a very gentle aircraft in the stall, and that could be because of the wingtip washout, which we've discussed earlier, which, by the way, is the wingtips are twisted. So it means the wingtips are a bit twisted. In fact, I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. I hope you can. But the wingtip is actually twisted ever so slightly down at the wingtip, whereas compared to the wing root, where the wing attaches to the fuselage, there's basically no twist along that line, that aerodynamic line. So that's what wingtip washout's about. And the two stalls that I managed, the two spins that I managed to get, I think I had two, she spun to the right. At least my plane did. And under my situation, under my testing conditions, she spun to the right. But in any event, hey, I hope you're enjoying these trips to the field. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Many, many more videos of this fine model coming. And if there's anything that you want to see in particular, besides a crash, then go ahead, put the comments down, the comments bar below the video, and I'll see what I can do. Plus, if you want to drop some comments in the RC Groups thread for this plane, go ahead and ask for what sort of conditions you want, or what sort of flight maneuvers you'd like to see, and if I can provide them for you, I will. So in any event, hey, thanks for watching. I hope you found this informative and entertaining. I'm telling you, this plane's a winner all around. The more I fly it, the more I like it. It is quickly becoming a favorite in the hangar. Good looking too. Good looking too. In any event, again, thanks for watching. Happy landings all. Cheers.